so I didn't pay for customs and shipping because my order was 13,000, meaning that I exceeded the 12,000. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. If it's your first time on this channel, you're most welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the family. My name is Shifa, and on this channel I share ways on how to live as a broke girl. So if you're interested in such information, please do subscribe to the channel. And today I have a review. I got this package last year in November, so I have an iPhone review from PlugTech. If you don't know PlugTech is an American company. It sells second-hand iPhones, Androids, second-hand gadgets. So it's a USA company. Let me take you through the steps on how I ordered, how I received the package, and how the phone is performing now after 8 months. All right, starting with the package, starting with ordering. I ordered on the 7th of November 2024, and it was a Thursday, so that is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then on the 11th of November they sent me an email to send in my ID and to confirm my address. So I did that, but let me first go back to the ordering. I ordered on the website, and the price of my phone was 13,000 in rands. I'm in South Africa in rands. So it's an iPhone 13 Pro, and it was in good condition. So they have the first one, I forgot, and they have good and they have excellent. So I bought it in good condition, and the battery came at 89%, right? So they have on the website that if you order your gadget, mostly international shippings, if you order your gadget and it exceeds 12,000, you don't pay for customs and you don't pay for shipping. So I didn't pay for customs and shipping because my order was 13,000, meaning that I exceeded the 12,000 they say on the website. Okay, so let's go back. So it came on the 12th, because when I confirmed everything, then it came on the 12th of November, right? So this is the package that the phone came with, and I'm gonna show you some accessories that it came with. So I can't show you right now because I'm shooting with it, but I'm gonna show you some accessories that came with the phone. Okay, so the phone came in this box, PlugTech, powering better tech, and the box is still new, yo. So it came in this box, as you can see. It came with this adapter, but in South Africa we don't have this kind of stuff, so that's why I don't use it. It didn't come with a phone case, but I see some reviews now they have phone cases, so I think they just added that now. What the heck? And it came with this thingy for the phone, ne? And it came with this. So that's all on the phone itself. So they didn't give me a phone case, and they didn't give me a cable, just an adapter. Oh, they did give me a cable. They did give me a cable. It's what I'm using right now. So yeah, the phone is pretty nice. The battery right now is, I'm gonna check, but okay, my battery is going so quick. I last checked when it was 83. Yeah, so I guess it's now 80 something or 70 something, but I'm not sure. But the phone is pretty nice. It's a second-hand phone. I think when you order it in an excellent condition, you're gonna get 100% battery life or 90 something percent battery life. So it's just the battery, but the battery is okay. It's okay for me. It's pretty nice. The Face ID works perfectly. Everything works perfectly on the phone. So if you need to order your phone, if you need a phone, like I think they do I think they do ship to different countries, so link in the description where you can get a 10% off when you order with my link. So you get, it's either 10% off or $10 off on your purchase. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.